The history of aircraft maintenance and repair spans over a century, evolving alongside aviation itself. It began with the Wright brothers in 1903, where early aircraft demanded constant manual checks. World War I heightened the need for systematic maintenance, leading to standardized parts and trained personnel. In the interwar period, commercial aviation grew, prompting the establishment of dedicated maintenance facilities and regulations. W2 brought significant innovations, with assembly lines and advanced training programs improving speed and safety. The jet age in the 1950s introduced more complex aircraft, necessitating the use of computerized diagnostic systems for maintenance. Today, aircraft maintenance is highly sophisticated, utilizing predictive maintenance, drone inspections, and data analytics, all under stringent regulations from bodies like the FAA. Looking ahead, the integration of artificial intelligence and robotics promises to further transform the industry, ensuring the safety and reliability of future flights. As aviation advances, skilled maintenance professionals remain essential for safe skies.